We back at it. Come all the way from Poplarville to daggone Neely, Greene County, just to fish with old Noah this afternoon. We got like 2 hours. Got like 2 hours to fish, but we're gonna make the best of it. Creek's just right here, and it's pretty. We fished it before last year and did pretty decent. So we're gonna see if we can catch us a few little bass and brim. Noah's got a good one. You lost him, bro. Alright. No! That was a good fish. Look at this. It is a pretty one. Top lip, just how you want it.